it's Rue. In this video, we'll be making the Dirty Shirley. Are you guys ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. Vodka, I have here, layer 1. Grenadine, I have mimosas. Lemon lime soda, I have here Sprite. And a maraschino cherry, I have here Vodka. 4 items. It's still time. Let's go grab ice, a rocks glass, a jigger, and a bar spoon. First step, what we're going to do is add ice into our glass. Grab your grenadine. Pour 3/4 of an ounce of grenadine into the glass. Get your vodka. Pour 1.5 ounces of vodka into the glass. Now it's time for Sprite. What you're going to do is fill up the Sprite all the way up to maybe right here. It's about 3.5 ounces. I'm going to show you using a jigger. Grab your bar spoon and stir the drink. The last step is to garnish with a cherry. And there you go, my friends. The Dirty Shirley. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.